Hello friends, glad to meet you all today with this new video. Today we will learn the writing skill comparing taken from the 5th unit of the 8th standard English textbook SSC Board Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. On to the pattern to follow in order to make a comparing. Comparing is nothing but anchoring. Generally, we see whenever there is a show, whenever there is a program, there is a person who carries forward the entire program, who is hosting the entire program, who is there introducing and concluding each and every program. That is what we are doing. We are writing the script for comparing for a Children's Day program. Here is a pattern to follow. Follow the features of the comparing given below. Arrange the program as required by the context. That is, firstly you have to prepare a program list. What is going to be there? Which program is first? What is next? What is third? What is fourth? Like that we need to have a program list. Present the background. Then highlight the persons and events. So we need to have a written script about the persons, the chief guest, the guest of honor, the special guest, whomever we are introducing. All that we need to have a prior written format. And then give reviews and reflections relevant to the context. So whenever required, whenever we need to go and link the program, or there is some interruption, so there we need to give the reflection relevant to the context. Whatever is happening, according to that we need to give the reflection. It should be spontaneous in nature. Use polite and entertaining expressions. So since generally we have the programs for entertainment, for happy moments, the conversation or the language used to should be entertaining and very polite in nature, and follow the conventions of the stage. How to stand, all that body language we need to follow. On to the question here. In the interview, you have read about Hafiz Contractor's school experiences and career development. Now imagine that Hafiz Contractor is invited as the chief guest as a part of the Children's Day. Prepare a script for comparing the program. Make a mock presentation in the class. So just imagine that Hafiz Contractor has come for the Children's Day program and prepare a comparing script and present it before the class. And here is the information about Hafiz Contractor. Hafiz Contractor was born in 1950. He did his graduate diploma in architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, USA on a Tata Scholarship. Hafiz Contractor commenced his career with T. Karegat as an apprentice architect, and in 1977 he became the associate partner in the same firm. Between 1977 and 1980, Hafiz was a visiting faculty at the Academy of Architecture, Mumbai. He is a member of the Mumbai Heritage Committee and New Delhi Lutyens Bangla Zone Review Committee. Contractor's practice has modest beginnings in 1982 with a staff of 2. Today, the firm has over 350 employees, including senior associates, architects, interior designers, draftsmen, a civil engineering team, and architectural support staff. The firm has conceptualized, designed, and executed a wide range of architectural projects like bungalows, residential developments, hospitals, hotels, corporate offices, banking and financial institutions, recreational and sports facilities, townships, airports, railway stations, urban planning, and civic development projects. So firstly, we need to prepare a program list. So first, in any program, first we have the welcome words, wherein we introduce what is the event of that day. So welcome words, then pinning the badge. We pin the badge to the chief guest, the guest of honor, all the dignitaries. Then prayer. Prayer generally is at the beginning of any program. Then lighting the lamp. Then felicitation. Felicitation is where we honor the guests. Then prayer dance, welcome dance, speech by chief guest, cultural programs, and then vote of thanks. So we need to have a prior idea, pre-written script to introduce and to conclude and to carry forward the program in the right way. Firstly, these are the welcome words. A warm and hearty welcome to the wonderful gathering here. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the Children's Day celebration. Then we go with the pinning of the badge. I request the reception committee to pin the badge to our chief guest, Mr. Hafiz Contractor, a renowned builder and architect, our principal and vice principal. I also request the reception committee to accompany our guests to the stage. Now this is the pinning of the badge. Now this is for the prayer. Let us commence the program with a short prayer. I invite the school pupil leader to offer the prayer. Then the prayer goes on. Then after the prayer we say thank you SPL. Then our next program in our program list. What is that? That is the lighting of the lamp. Nextly, I would request our chief guest, Mr. Hafiz Contractor, and our special guest to come and light the lamp and declare this meet open. Then, thank you, sirs. Then, what's our next program? That is a felicitation. So, we are going to honor our guest. It's truly an honor to have our chief guest in our midst. The chief guest of the day is Mr. Hafiz Contractor, who is a visiting faculty at the Academy of Architecture, Mumbai, and is a member of the Bombay Heritage Committee and New Delhi Lutyens Bangla Zone Review. He completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, on a Tata Scholarship and commenced his career in 1977. And in no time became the associate partner in the same firm and has reached the peak of success. It's certainly a privilege for each one of us to have his presence here. Now look, we have got the information. The information is too big. So we need not put everything over here. We can just pick out what are the important ones. What we feel are very, very special. Only those ones we can highlight in the felicitation. I request our coordinator to present the bouquet and the HOD to adorn the shawl to our chief guest. So the felicitation is over. Then we come with the prayer dance. Now let's call upon the presence of God with a prayer dance. After that the prayer dance takes place. Then thank you friends. We are thanking the students who had performed the prayer dance. Then now the tiny tots of the primary section are here to perform the welcome dance. Then the welcome dance goes on. Then that was a warm welcome indeed, I believe. Thank you friends. Now we are concluding the welcome dance. Then the next one is speech of chief guest. So now it goes this way. Now I would like to request our chief guest to speak a few words on this occasion. Then the chief guest gives the speech. Then we need to listen to the speech, listen to what the chief guest says, and then we have to give the conclusion. What the chief guest has said, according to that we have to give the conclusion. Here, thank you sir. Thank you for your wonderful words of encouragement. It has certainly boosted our spirits to chase our dreams. Then the cultural programs. So according to the program, you can give an introduction and give a conclusion. If it is a fast song, you can give on that was fantabulous, that was fantastic. And if it is a cultural dance, so you can say it was very ethnic and it was very elegant, it was very delicate, it was very melodious and all. According to the dance or according to the performance, you can give the introduction and the conclusion. So cultural programs I haven't mentioned here, because in the program list we have written it as cultural program. So according to whatever program is there, we can write the introduction and conclusion. Then at the end of the cultural programs, after all the programs are over, hope you all enjoyed the day thoroughly. So after the programs, we just conclude the program. So here what we say, hope you all enjoyed the day thoroughly. Now I invite Mrs. Renu to propose the vote of thanks. Then Mrs. Renu comes and proposes the vote of thanks. Then with this we have come to the conclusion of the program. Kindly move to your respected classrooms. The teachers will distribute some snacks. So this instruction is for the students. So here there was a gathering on the ground. So now they are asked to move to their classrooms. My sincere and heartfelt thanks for each and every one of you for your wonderful presence here. So this is how you make a comparing script. So it's always better to have a written script in our hand, so that we have at least 80% of the work done. And as such, during programs there is always some changes, some immediate additions, some new updates over there. So in order to carry the program very diligently, it's always good to have a written script. That is what we are doing with the comparing script. Hope this session was useful to you and you would make many stage shows very successfully. Wishing you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Click the like button, share with your friends, subscribe and comment. Thank you.